That's the classic kind, right? The way they tumble out of the bag is so much fun. I don't know why. It is, isn't it? I'm not familiar with the hardwood charcoal. Then the third kind, of course, is the storage of these pressure gas tanks, which, you know, are safe, but I'm very skittish about it. And these two need a fire starter, don't they? That's a fun smell, that nostalgic smell that you smell in the air sometime when people are having a barbecue. What I like is an open fire. Of course, it's very inconvenient. You can't have always an open fire. And if you go camping, you can make a little fire. You can cook there. I had a fireplace and I cooked in the fireplace. I had a crane that you could have kettles hanging from. So the open fire when you have wood is, I guess, my preferred method. Gas grill with the tanks, it's sort of almost like cooking on your own gas stove with just a grill on top, right? It's portable. It's fun to get out of the kitchen. I don't know.